Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Drive and create a new Google form. That's where we begin. First, pick blank or a template depending on speed versus customization. Once done, give your form a concise title and short description so respondents know purpose and estimated time. Now add your first question. Choose type, multiple choice, short answer, or drop-down, and enter the prompt. Make required fields when answers must be collected, and use the duplicate icon to speed up repeated question types. Next, design questions and the answer flow. You'll mix short answers, multiple choice, and checkbox grids depending on data needed. Choose file upload only when necessary. Use sections to break the form into logical parts, keeping length manageable for respondents. Then add conditional branching so certain answers skip to relevant sections. This reduces confusion and increases completion. Make use of descriptions, helper text, and validation rules to enforce formats like numbers or email. Finally, configure settings. Toggle email collection, restrict to domain, limit one response, and allow edit after submit if you want. Preview the form and run test submissions to verify branching and validations. When satisfied, use Send to copy a link, email respondents, or embed the form on a page. If something breaks, check required fields and section logic first. Make a test account and clear responses to retest. Keep a backup copy by making a duplicate before major edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.